Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve this problem. We need to evaluate 15 minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 10. And in order to solve this, we need to know a rule that is called PEMDAS rule. The PEMDAS rule is basically related to order of operations. P represents the parentheses. Similarly, E represents the exponent and MD represents the multiplication and division. Both have the same order. Similarly, A and S represents addition and subtraction. Both has the same order. But if we move from left to right, the operation which appear first, which has the higher order than the other operation. Now we are going to solve the problem. We have the parentheses in the expression. So first of all, we are going to do the multiplication. When I do 4 multiplied by 2, I will get 8. After that, I will substitute the value. I will get 15 minus into 8 plus 10. Now I'm going to solve the parentheses. So I need to add both values 8 and 10. When I add these two values, I will get 18. Now I will substitute the value. I will get 15 minus 18, and when I do the subtraction, I will get minus 3. This will be our final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this topic, please write that question in the comment. I will solve that question for you.